yan. Kasi naka-feature nila sa akin is me being a teacher and mother at the same time. Ayun, mother-in-law ko, ayun. Tapos, yung akin namang mother-in-law, naka-English yung article, pero translate niya into Japanese. So sabi niya, sobrang na-touch din daw siya.
Hi mga igala, Maestra Judy here. In this live stream, we are going to unbox the Learning Kit Box 3. So the theme for this box, for this month, is parts of the house. So the first Learning Kit 1 and 2 are the alphabet. So the Learning Kit Box 1 consists of 150 words. And then the Learning Kit Box 2 also has 150 words. So if you guys are done with Learning Kit Box 1 and 2, you'll be able to master 300 basic core words in the Cebuano language. So this time around, let's start with the unboxing of the Learning Kit Box 3, okay? So let's see what's inside Learning Kit Box 3. Okay, we still have that. The You Are Here. So you are in box month 3. And we still have the Did You Know card over here. So you will know about our national house, which is the Bahay Kubo or the Nipahat. Okay, so let me just forward this one. Okay, mga igala. So this is the TV paper box. See, in this paper box TV, you will know the what you do around the house. Okay. And this is the poster, mga higala. And these are the stars. So each learning kit have stars, about five stars, mga higala. And you just have to paste it on the curriculum poster that you got from the Learning Kit Box 1. So this is the slider, mga higala. So you just have to slide that one to know the answer to the question. So this will help you learn yes or no, how to answer the yes or no. So it is laminated, mga higala. So it's actually thick. And this is the activity book. Okay. It has word search, fill in the blanks, writing. So basically this activity book will help you master all those words that you need that are common around the house. Okay, so that's the unboxing, mga higala. Let me go back here. So here, let me just turn off my virtual background, okay, so that you guys can see it. So this is the mga parte sa balay. This is the activity book. So in this activity book, so here, the first thing you should do is master first the poster. Let me show you the poster, mga gala. So the poster look like this. Okay. So it is laminated back to back. And this one is thick, mga gala. So it's not the flimsy poster. Okay, so the first thing you should do is study this one first. before you go to the activity book. Okay, once you master the poster, then you go here and try to answer. You match the words here to here. Okay, there. So aside from that, next is you go through the terms. Okay, so each learning kit, mga higala, that I offered on my site, it comes with a QR code that you can once you once you scan the QR code, you'll be directed to my website so that you'll be able to listen to the pronunciation. Okay, so here, after the poster, then you study the individual lesson around this one. These are the things that you can find in the toilet. Okay, so we have casillas and banyo. The difference between the two, mga higala, casillas is toilet, and when you say banyo is bathroom. Okay, so it has this activity book, this learning kit. You'll be able to learn around 190 words. So basically, from learning kit 1 to learning kit 3, you should be able to learn or master around 490 words. Okay, so that is actually very amazing, mga higala. That's already 490 words. So the activity book will actually help you with word mastery. Okay, it has this one, matching games. Okay, this one. And writing. Very important, mga higala, is the writing. Okay. Aside from that, it also comes with word search. Okay. The word search in Learning Kit 1 and 2 are separate books. They are separate paper booklets. Okay. It's not laminated. And then I realized it's nice to have it laminated, so I didn't make another word search booklet for Learning Kit Box 2. Okay, so here we can find mga butang sa kusina. So these are the common things around in the kitchen. Okay, okay, and it also comes with answer sheets, mga higala. Here, there, and then after that, each lesson it includes with 7 thick laminated activity exercise. So it has words here. For example, this one, banyo. The words, you just match the words to the circle here. Okay, so it is very important to, before you go here, you study first the lesson from the activity book. Okay, here you go here first, study, you scan the QR code so that you'll be able to know how to pronounce each word. Okay, and after mastering this one, then you can go here, try answering all the exercises for that lesson, writing as well. And then you go look for this banyo, right? It's also an interactive matching games. I wanted it to be like the Learning Kit Box 1 and 2, but this time around should be the terms. But then I realized I had some challenges along the way. Instead of making individual words and and use Velcro so that I can just transfer the words from here to here. So I had a hard time cutting the words using my silhouette, and it's really taking so much of my time. So instead of doing that, I just did it like this, mga higala. This will make the process of making the Learning Kit Box simpler. Okay. So once you're done with this, you can move to the next lesson. And then each learning kit, okay, you will have this star. So you collect all the stars and then paste it here on the curriculum. Okay, on the curriculum there are 4 circles here. you will have 4 stars. So this curriculum, you will get this in Learning Kit Box 1. Okay, so if you are going to order the Box 3, it doesn't have a learning, this one, the poster, curriculum poster. So you just have to message me that you needed this one if you guys want, you only want to buy the one-time purchase. So one-time purchase means you will only buy the month, box of the month. Okay, that actually is way the cost, okay, the price is a bit higher than if you go with subscription. Okay, if you go for subscription boxes, it's way cheaper, you'll save more. But however, you can buy individual boxes, which will actually cost a bit higher than the subscription. Okay, so this one, this is actually thick, mga higala. Okay, so it comes with seven like this. So 7 matching games, exercises. And then next it comes also with Did You Know? Okay, this is a fun fact card related about this one. For box 3, it's talking, I'm sharing about our national house, Bahay Kubo. Okay. And then the box also comes with sticker sheets. There are 3 sticker sheets here. The design is minimalist. Okay. So you just peel this and stick it in your house. So like for example, sa amin, you stick it on your mirror so that every time you look yourself into the mirror, you'll find this and you will never forget this. This is just to reinforce your knowledge. Okay, so 3 sticker sheets. This is vinyl stickers. And then we have the slider. Okay, this is a new addition. Okay, new design. The Learning Kit Box 1 and 2 doesn't have this. This is only in box 3. Okay, here in this slider, you will learn how to ask, is this a blank? Okay, for example, is this a vehicle or is this a car? And then you will pull this one out and the answer is here. This will help you. This will teach you how to answer yes or no. Okay, and to answer, is this a car? Is this a vehicle? Like that. So just have to pull it like that. So all my products, mga higala, involves movements of hands. I realized that if you use your hands, your hand has that, memory, muscle memory. And if there is movement of hands, I realized that you will retain words better than just looking at the worksheet or activity book. So without movement of hands, I just for me, mga higala, that's what I realized, that when you're studying, movements of hands is really useful with word retention. Okay, so this one, there are 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay, still 7 sliders like that. Okay, this is just one whole slider, mga higala. And then next, you will also learn in this learning kit how to use the where questions. So you will know how to ask, where is someone? Okay, and then where are you? Okay, and then it will also, in this activity book, you will also learn how to respond to these questions. Where are you and where is someone? For example, asa si Dudong. Okay, asa si Dudong. Here, asa si Dudong. Where is Dudong? Okay. Like that. Okay, hold on mga higala. Let me check. There. Asa si Dudong. So, naa si Dudong sa, okay? So, you will only answer this once you master the lesson and the poster. Okay, because you cannot answer this if you don't master activity book and the poster. Okay, so here. So there are 14 pages in this activity book. Okay. So again, mga higala, you will learn around 409, basically 190 words in this learning kit. And then this one is a TB paper TB. Hold on. Actually, it's nice to play with this one. So you just do it like that. Okay. Hold on. Let me show it to you. It's like this. My kids really enjoyed playing with this one. Okay. So all of this, mga higala, is handmade by yours truly. Like that. Okay. So this is a 300 GSM paper, and these are just barbecue chopsticks, actually. There you go. Like that. And the thickness is about 1 inch. There. Okay. I think that's all for this learning kit box through 3, mga higala. So I will just answer some questions that I received from since the last 2 months since I started, because there are some questions about what is one-time purchase. One-time purchase is you only buy the box of the month and you pay 2,399. Okay. And hold on, let me share with you my website, mga higala. Let me check. Okay, this is the learning kit, mga higala page. So here, the amount for 12 months is the cheapest, which is 2,000 pesos. So you save 400 per box. So every month, I will send out boxes. So just in time that you're done with the first box, every month I will be sending these learning kits so that you have a physical product to go to every time you want to study. Okay. Okay, some of the questions. Okay, let me go to the other. Okay, if you guys are interested with the previous boxes, you can actually find it here. Okay, here. I'm actually using desktop right now. Okay, I think if you're using mobile, this is at the bottom. You can see this at the bottom. So previous boxes, you can find it here. And then let's go to the FAQs. There are a lot of questions and they are a bit confused. Again, one-time purchase means you'll only be billed once, mga higala, once. And you will receive the box of the month. And then, okay, so is this a separate from the Patreon subscription? So I actually have online courses. Those patrons on my website, this is separate. Okay, so since this subscription is physical products, I will send out to you physical products. Okay, so it is separate. And then, of course, you will pay for the shipping fees. If you are here in the Philippines, you will not. It's free shipping, okay? If you are in the Philippines, okay? Hi, Stephen. Wow. Welcome to my live stream. Okay. So, hold on. Let me go back there. Okay. So what box will I receive with the 3-month subscription? So if you want to just subscribe for 3 months and you just want to try out the subscription box, you will begin with the month 1 learning kit to establish the foundation of your Cebuano language journey, and then followed by the box 2, and then followed by the box 3. Okay. If you subscribe for 3 months, then you will only be billed for 3 months. Every month. It's not one time, every month. Okay. Now, right now I just released box 3 kit. So if you purchase 12-month box subscription, you will get the box 1. Okay? You will start with box 1. But if you just want to if you just want to buy the box 3, yes, you can, but you will pay the full price, which is 2,399, and then plus the shipping fee. Okay. Now, what are the estimated shipping fees? These are the estimated, mga higala. Typically range from 2,900 to 3,400, depending on your location and your, your state. Okay. It is a bit, coming from, shipping from Philippines, it's expensive. Oy, salamat, Stephen, sa sticker. So it is expensive to send products from the Philippines. Fortunately, I have a business account with DHL, and they offered me discounted shipping fees. So my shipping fees that I put on my website is lower than international courier outside here in Cebu City. So when I check in one of the international courier here, they actually charge way more, like 3.7. Sometimes it goes up to 1 kilo. It will goes up to 5,000 pesos. So that's a big savings for you guys. Okay, so far so good. DHL will, if you are in the US, you will receive your package. The earliest is 3 days. That's way faster than me ordering in Lazada, Manila, going to Cebu. So within 7 days, you will receive your package. Also going to Australia, the shipping time the earliest is 3 days. Okay, so it depends on your state. And then the duties, you have to check with your, government, if how much they, like for example, in Singapore, the amount should be $400 before they can ask you for the duties and taxes. Okay, so you have to check the rules in your country or your state, how much is the maximum, I think the minimum, before you are charged with duties and taxes. Okay, so the next question is, will I be charged shipping fees for every box? Yes, for international shipping, yes. For Philippine orders, free shipping. Okay. The next question is, when will I be billed? So you will be billed around the same time each month. For example, if you buy now, today is November 17, then next month you will be billed on December 18. So I'm using PayPal, mga higala, and if you want to pay outside of PayPal, you have to contact me, because unfortunately for this subscription box, it's only okay for PayPal. I'm using PayPal, but if you want to pay outside of PayPal, just contact me so that I can assist you. Next, can I cancel my 3 or 6 month subscription? 3 months and 6 month subscription, you cannot cancel. It is actually a commitment subscription. So you have to, before you go with this subscription pricing plan, you have to really be sure that you want it. But if you are unsure, and if you want to a plan that you can cancel anytime, go for 12-month subscription. Okay, in that way you can actually save 400 pesos for every box, mga higala, and it is cancelable anytime. Okay, so if you want to cancel, you cancel it before your renewal date. Okay, so like for example, today is November 17. The next month, the next billing will be December 17. So if you don't want to receive the next box, you must cancel it before December 17. Okay. Now, next one, I've finished my 3-month subscription and want to continue with the fourth box. So, for example, you got the 3-month subscription and you decide to continue with the fourth box. I will create another plan and just choose plan 4 to 6, box 4 to 6 plan. Okay, you can't find it here yet because I am still on box 3. All right. So what is the difference between a one-time box and a 12-month subscription? So again, one-time box or one-time purchase means you'll only be billed once every purchase. So you will receive the box of the month. You can purchase any available boxes at any time, but no discount for one-time purchase. Okay? On the other hand, the 12-month subscription works like a monthly patron subscription, but physical products. Okay. Okay. If you have a PH address, again, the shipping is free. So if you want to send out these learning kits to someone here in the Philippines, you don't have to worry about the shipping because it's free. Since Christmas is coming, you can order these learning kits as a gift to someone, for someone. All right. So we will send out the box each month within 5 days of payment confirmation, mga igala. So 5 days. Within 5 days, we're actually monitoring all the subscriptions. Once we validate that the subscription is paid for that month, then we will send out within 5 days. The earliest actually is within 2 days. How can I buy boxes from previous month? Okay, you just go to order previous boxes. Okay, so in the mobile site, it should be at the bottom. So will I get a discount if I subscribe to the 6 or 12-month plan? Yes, of course. The longer the subscription, the more you save. So the 12-month plan offers the most savings. So giving you access to 12 boxes at a significantly reduced rate. Shipping fees it's already discounted, mga higala. Okay. What happens when my subscription period ends? So once your subscription ends, you will have the option to renew to a different plan to continue with your subscription. Okay, so we'll send you a reminder before your plan expires to ensure you don't miss any future boxes. All right, next one. I paused my subscription after the 6th box 2 months ago. So this basically, the subscription plan was 6 months. And if you want to go on with the box 7, I will also put under the previous boxes, box 7 to 12 plan. Okay. Can I purchase individual boxes whenever I want? Yes, you can. Okay, just go to order previous boxes. Okay, previous boxes. You can see that. However, please note that purchasing individual boxes is more expensive than subscribing to a plan. Okay, so mga higala, since the shipping fees from the Philippines is expensive, I really make sure that you get a lot of items each box. So normally the box has, I think the minimum is around 8 items or 9. So in this learning kit, the learning kit, you can see, mga higala, we just show. Here, it's actually thinner than learning kit 1 and 2. Because the learning kit 1 and 2, the interactive matching games there are actually thick. But this time around is thinner because it's more on flat. designs. Okay, so each box will have different types of interactive learning materials. So this subscription physical products, mga higala. This is, I would say, a pilot project of mine. So I'm still learning how to do this, and so far it's working fine. And hopefully, once we finish the 12-month boxes, I can gauge on what is the best design for, for each boxes. I always try to make sure that uh, the process is simple, because running a business, mga higala, it's I would say, make it simpler as much as you can when you're doing business here. I mean, any type of business. The simpler the better. Okay. Right. I think, which one? Can I have, okay, the next question, can I have the boxes sent to my relative in the Philippines? Yes, absolutely. Walay problema. And then this one, I'd like to save on shipping fees. Can I have all my boxes shipped together? I think we can arrange this because this is a special request. Okay. Are there any duties or taxes I need to pay? Depends. Normally, since the learning kit is just a small amount, normally, so far with my subscribers with the learning kit, they no they didn't pay any duties so far. I don't want to use PayPal. Is there any other way for me to buy your subscription box? Yes, we can arrange that. Just please contact me. Okay, use the yellow box chat box there. All right. What does the shipping option no signature from receiver mean? In the shipping option, once upon checkout, you will choose your shipping option. So no signature means the driver or the rider, the one who delivers your package, will just leave the package at your door area. Okay. If you choose the with signature, the delivery guy will need someone to sign the papers, okay, as a proof that you received the package. So this shipping option, no signature from receiver, is a bit risky for me, mga higala. However, I'm open to it so that you guys can still save more on these boxes. However, I have to point this out that if the package is lost, I will not give a refund until DHL will refund me. I cannot send another box until DHL find out what's really the problem and if they can resend the box to you. But if they can't, I will have to wait for DHL to refund me before I can send a new box to you. So the next box will still continue, and then once that box for that certain month is settled, then that's the time I will send a second box once DHL will once I receive a refund from DHL. So because this one is no signature from receiver. That's why when you order, you have to make sure you have the address and the contact numbers are there. Okay, so shipping, returns, or refund, I will not discuss this anymore. You can just go through over this once you go to my shop. Okay. Gihigugma ko ikaw. I cannot read your name. I know some of the characters, but I cannot. Salamat kaayo. So I really appreciate you guys because you guys, I'm here because you guys are there. Okay. I think that's all for today, mga gala. I forgot to leave the link where you guys can can purchase the learning kits. So after this one, I will update the description and you can just click the link so that you guys can order the learning kit box 3 or the previous boxes. All right. So if you guys don't have any questions, walay pangutana, no questions. Mga higala, I wanted to go back to live streaming, like what we did few months, 2 months ago. So I'm just swamped lately. Christmas season is fast approaching. So that's all for this live stream, mga higala. And I want to thank you so much for being with me today. Okay? So I hope to see you on my site, mga higala. And Stephen Philiboy 08, salamat kayo sa imong sticker, super sticker. Bye! Dagang salamat! Amping mo kanunay, mga higala.